Hi guys, today I will show you how you can change the link structure of your posts. Let's check the current link structure. I'm opening a post by clicking on the View button. Here you can see the link of this post. This link isn't readable and isn't SEO friendly. I show you another post link. Link structure of all our posts is not good, but I will show you how you can change it. Just go to the settings and click on permalinks. Here you can see all the available link structures for our posts. Currently plain is selected. I select this post name as link structure. And our post's link will display like this. Save the settings. I'm closing these tabs. Now I view the posts again. Now you can see our post link is changed. I'm opening another post. This post link is also changed. This is how you can change the link structures of all your posts. Now, I show you how you can change the link of a particular post. Just click on the Edit Post. And go to the permalink. Here you can type your own link, and it will be displayed on the front end. I'm entering a permalink. Importance of data management. Click on the update. And view the post. Great. Now we can change the link of any post. At the end, if you like this video, please subscribe. Goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.